So guys, I found a tool that allows any new websites to rapidly increase their domain rating. Not only that, that tool does keyword research, writes articles, and does everything on a complete autopilot. If you are interested in learning more, keep watching. Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So while I was on a hunt for a new product to promote and review, and I used my bespoke search gap method prompt that I share inside of my school community, I came across this tool here, which is called BlogSEO.io. And the more I read about it, the more I was getting impressed. And I had to contact the owners to see if I could review and test drive the tool for you. So without further ado, let me just show you the results. You probably know that I have this website, which is called Detection Drama, which is a brand new website that I've started from scratch using my search gap automation. And today is March 22, and I made this screenshot on March 15, so almost exactly 7 days ago, and my domain rating was 0 with 5 spammy backlinks. Let's check now. 7 days later, let's go to the Ahrefs website authority checker. Let's click on start, and oh and behold, my domain rating is 5. So 5 domain rating points in 7 days, and I've gotten 10 backlinks that, if you go to BlogSEO.io, came from websites with varying DR. The lowest was 0, the highest was 45. But since this is a brand new website that I'm promoting, this is amazing. So I've gotten 7 backlinks, 7 confirmed backlinks, and that allowed me to go, as I said, from complete 0 to domain rating of 5, and I fully intend on continuing. Now, if we go to my Google Search Console, this is where I started my experiment, and I escaped the sandbox pretty quickly. Then I got this period where nothing was happening, and around here I started using BlogSEO, and I got a huge spike in impression. And I attribute this to a couple of things. I started creating more content with the help of BlogSEO.io, and also my domain authority started to improve. So in the eyes of Google, I was getting more and more exposure. Now, this tool is just built differently. They give you a free trial. The free trial does not contain the backlinks feature, so I suggest you sign up for a paid plan, and I will have a hefty discount to share with you guys. And then this works as a complete solution for all of your blogging needs, as I said. And what I like about this tool is that people often reference real results. So this tool, once again, does keyword research. It writes articles for you, and it uses what is called an ABC backlinking exchange, meaning that site A sends links to B, B to C, and then C back to A. So there is no reciprocal AB to BA, which is easily spotted by Google. Now, going back to this tool here, as you can see, I can go to my calendar, and I have a lot of articles written and published. So let's just take a look. This article is Detection AI Explained, Scores, False Positive, and Fixes. A very nice featured image, internal links, tables, more tables, lists, frequently asked questions, and the status is published. Now, you have a separate keyword research module, and I will tell you a few honest words or my honest opinion about the keyword section. But nevertheless, as you can see, these are my keywords. Why does Turnitin flag AI when others don't? Do Turnitin pre-checks to reduce risk of or raise it? Why is Turnitin flagging references? Which normal writing habits trigger AI flags? So all very potent keywords. Then I already showed you the integration. So once you subscribe to BlogSEO.io, you enter this pool of websites, and all you have to do is to turn on the backlink exchange feature, and you start exchanging links. They go through different processes from placed to verified, and whenever it says verified, you get this source page, so you can check the actual link and the anchor text used. I have a link queued, I have a few links placed, and this is an ongoing process. So for as long as you have an active subscription, this will be going on. And the way it works is as follows. You get some backlink credits when you sign up, and then every link placed is gonna deduct from those backlinks, where 1 credit equals 1 DR. So for a 45 DR website, I would lose, so to speak, 45 credits, and only 4 credits for a website of DR of 4. And you can do some other things. You can get more backlinks. You can actually purchase more. You can exchange your AI brain credits. You also get 30 articles per month by default. And the AI credits is the internal currency you can spend on editing the article. So if I go to some of my published articles, this one here, for example, and I click on edit with AI, I can actually tell the AI what I want rewritten. So I can say something like rewrite the introduction to be more SEO optimized and also include a fun statistic or fact. And if I click submit, I will get 1 credit deducted. Now this says this page will automatically refresh when the article is ready. Okay. And as you can see, article has been added to the queue and I got 1 AI brain credit deducted. Same goes for backlinks. If I need more backlinks, instead of purchasing more, I can actually convert the AA brain credits into backlink credits. So this is very handy. And also, if I want to import new keywords, and this is what I did not use the inbuilt keyword research. So I just use a list of keywords, and then I clicked on edit create keywords, and 1 AA credit was deducted from me. Now, I promised you to talk about the keyword research feature. So this is needed because this powers the articles that you write. But what I did, I went to Cloud, new task. I have a Reddit skill, as you know. You can watch a specific video of mine that talks about this skill. And I said literally, I want you to use my Reddit skill to fetch 30 most asked questions about Turnitin and AI detection as of March 2026. Now, what this does is triggers my Reddit research skill and starts going from subreddit to give me that keyword list that I was asking for. Now, the integration is extremely easy. This tool supports Webflow, WordPress, Shopify, Wix. So for those of you in my school community asking, I have a Wix website, I have a Shopify website, how do I create a blog section? This is one of the better ways of creating a blog section. And actually, I've just noticed that this works with Lovable as well. So if you've built your website with Lovable, you can actually connect to it and build a self-sufficient SEO optimized blog section. Amazing. Same goes for Base44, bold.new, and the support is extremely receptive. So I would always get the answers the same day. I'm not sure if it was just my experience, but I can only speak for myself. So the support was extremely supportive. No pun intended. Now, this tool is very active with the community. You can see there are constant feature suggestions. Many of them are on a brink of being implemented. And overall, I see this tool as a powerhouse. It is still not universally known, so I'm hoping to bring some brand awareness to this project. Now, even though the tool offers a free trial, the actual paid plan is a fixed 97 per month USD. But once again, what you're getting in return is the ability to do keyword research or import your own keywords. The ABC link exchange, which is, in my opinion, the best feature of this tool, and also the article. These are very high quality articles, SEO optimized with amazing featured images, internal links, tables, and lists. Now, I promised you a discount, and the owners of this tool were kind enough to offer my community a 10% discount off of your plans. So if you use a coupon code by the name of WordsAtScale, you will get 10% off. And yeah, so I think this tool addresses the major need of newer websites, of zero domain websites, which is backlinks. So once again, not only do you get up to 30 articles per month, you get backlinks, you get keyword research, and you can import your own keywords. You get traction almost immediately, and you're able to improve your domain rating drastically. I tested this tool for 14 days. And within just the last 7 days, I went from domain rating 0 to domain rating 5, which is amazing. Also, if you want to know more about the actual method that powered the keyword research for this website, you can visit my school community, which is called Search Gap Method. I have my flagship course. I have a course on Vibe SEO. This is a brand new course, amazing feedback. But let me just go to the community section. Let me switch to results. And this is what people are saying. So this is me with my directory. And the other guys are ranked a page in 10 hours. This was 3 days ago. Ranked in 11 hours. This was 5 days ago. Knowledge is power, and the guy is sharing his results is 7 days ago. So guys, and the list goes on and on and on. Constant result sharing. People are ranking left, right, and center. So go check out my school community. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.